My Nike hairdresser. Yeah, she still have a lot to tell us about her culture.
Yes.
Because in the first live, she was gisting us about masquerade, their New Yam festival. She's from Nike, Enugu State. Okay. Yeah. So I don't want that first one to be so long. That's why I'm doing the second one. So Mercy, you were telling us about the head of masquerade at your place,
Yes.
which was, what did you call it again?
Mbojome.
Mbojome. Can you guys pronounce it? Mbojome. Wow. So you guys, during this your yam festival, which is next tomorrow, next tomorrow should be 31st of August.
Yes. 31st of August.
You invite different people. It's like your Christmas.
Yes.
So during December now, you guys don't celebrate again.
We celebrate it though.
You celebrate Christmas. Okay,
Yes,
Christians.
Christians.
Okay. Okay, but this one is traditional belief. You people's belief.
Even Christians and other.
Believers. They practice this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Apart from redeem.
Apart from redeem, it's not a boy.
12:37 p.m. One notification.
So redeem, why? If they practice, what will happen? Jesus, when to go there?
Is barbaric.
Oh. Even though they are from that your culture, your place rather. Okay. So I was there last 2 years during you guys' New Yam Festival. 2 years ago because why you because we are not child. My brother married from Nike. Yeah, my brother married from Nike. So this next tomorrow on, I'll still ask her because that celebration used to be very hot. It's a big celebration though. I must testify. It's a very big one because I've been there twice since we. This one is paining me. Oh, hey, so when I say on afumofu means it's paining me. Jesus, iwe na nke there. It's okay. Okay. So guys, Masi, do you have any other thing to tell us about this masquerade of a thing? Number one, you say it has a lot of rules. That's the god of masquerade. It has so many rules, right? The first one is you shouldn't call it in vain. Then the second one, you shouldn't watch it. Then the third one is what?
Is that troublesome. Avoid this.
Okay, you should. That is the same thing as okay. You should avoid it even when it's coming. You run away from it.
It's troublesome.
Wahala. So for it to call you, is it? I will call it now because it's a masquerade. It's not a human being. For it to mention your name in that keke, how do you feel that time? It mentioned your name. Disappointed. Kwa? It's not like he said bad thing about you. He said you should keep it up. You should well done.
I felt disappointed because I know that I don't like my sweets. So how?
How manage? Kedo Otsuo for him to call you.
Yes, I know my full name.
Oh, he called your full name.
Yes, now.
Wow. And even call you Nwam. Nwam. This is serious though. When you got home and tell your mom, what did she say?
She said, oh,
that you shouldn't mind it.
Yes, that is normal.
It's normal. Okay. Wow, these people's culture is something else, honestly. Okay. It's something else. It's okay. Oh, Jesus. Hey, my hair is almost finished. Oh. I'm tired of sitting. Mba. Ọ gara ime afịa. Amụkwara m ihe o ji fụọ o jighị ego wee pụọ. Ọ pụwara o jighị ego wee pụọ. Ọ bụ na a ga-atụzi ya ka ebe mma nọ. Ama m ihe o ji wee pụọ. Ọ wụghere ego wee pụọ. Okay. Hi, welcome back. So Mercy is gisting us.
Yes.
Wife, come and show your face now. This woman. You just they do shakara, they go. You just they do shakara, they go.
Many things about our culture too.
Many things about your culture.
Yes.
Wow.
There are many fun things.
What you had there? Okay.
Because when you come to watch masquerade, you will see different type of masquerades.
Wow.
It's true. Yes.
Amanda, she's true. Amanda, are you from their place?
Yes. No, I'm not from that place. My God.
Hi, my God. Thank you. I look what? Thank you. I look good. Aw. That's so cute. That's a very cute compliment. Thank you a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Where are you watching from? Hey, Mbia. Ana m abịakwa. Anọ m live. Ana m eme video. Chisinde, who chọrọ ịga mposi? Soro oge. Oge bịa. Amanda, look at what you're saying. You get him that. How about you do give that way attachment? You do give a cojem pussy. Can you check it? That takwe me an answer. I'm live. Man cut winning her. That takwe me an answer. That you are one of me. I know you me guy. Neke. I'm a king never guy. The way the man killing in a life. You are the come.
I am
Gone. Eh? Okay. Masuna gauti. Ngwan metali ya tika hawo. Kwa bread de. Unatego kijogote bread. Atego jogote her bread. Just not do for Google. I have only a melon. Amanda Futano now, put her here. One nekiri. Master. So,
okay, also not Edo State.
okay, you're watching from Edo State. Oh, thank you for joining.
So a lot of things is happening in my village.
Okay. Wow, that's Nike.
Yes, we have many masquerade. Like Aloji.
Aloji is the first. Okay, no, not the god now. Yes, the god masquerade.
Another different masquerade.
Okay, sorry. Oh, you heard them.
What's it, Andy?
I'm in Enugu State, Nigeria. Our beautiful Nigeria. Yes, I'm in Enugu.
This Aloji is called Aloji.
And this culture she's gisting us on is in Enugu, Nike, yes. Enugu State.
Yes.
Just that it's not my place. I'm from Ezeagu. Do you understand? And she's from Nike, so she's telling us about their culture, masquerade, the name, the basically their New Yam Festival. Where is your home, Nike? It's not Nike. Okay, Enugu is your home.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay, I want to know where you say is your. Is it Nike or Enugu State? Where in Enugu State is your home? So that I will know if you are Mercy's brother. Okay, so So, Mercy, you were telling us about the masquerade names, the names of the masquerades.
Yes, so this allergy is allergy onuose.
Alujionose.
Yes. Because the mouth
Amanda
is very
Chelon,
long.
the mouth.
Like sombe. Sombe.
So Amanda,
Like sombe pepper.
this my niece is funny.
Like
Shombe. I know
pepper.
Shombe now.
Yes.
Pepper. Okay, the mouth is like pepper.
Yes. And we're not
Pepper
calling
mouth.
it allergy onuose.
Ose. Okay.
Pepper
What color? How does it
mouth.
look like?
It's black.
Hey, it must be deadly. Oh. That one must have its rules and regulations.
Yes, no Igbo.
Can you hold there?
Igbo.
Igbokwe?
Is his home.
Igbokwe? Igbokwe is your home? I don't know. There's no place called Igbokwe here. Which local government, sorry? Maybe, if you tell me the local governments, maybe you are telling me your community, right? So tell me your local government. Is local government used to, not community? Okay?
So, the masquerade is...
Is your...
The masquerade can dance to the
Okay.
beat.
Everybody watch that one. Both male and female. Can you hold it?
Nkanu.
Nkanu, yay! Nkanu nike. So Mercy. Unem. So she's your sister. Amanda is not what to know. She's your sister. Oh. Nkanu kwen. Nkanu, Mercy don't want to say yeah. Nkanu kwen.
Yeah.
Yo. Can you speak your language? Can you speak your dialects?
After Abani. Oh my
Wow.
God.
She's your sister. Oh.
Then go Jamie.
Then go.
Imeleka.
Imeleka.
Imesoraya.
Kenkina sauce. What are you speaking? What are you speaking, Amanda? Wow. So the same local government but different community.
Yes.
I see.
So our New Year festival is
Next tomorrow.
and it's going to be very, very hot.
Make sure you come back to celebrate. It used to be hot. I hope you do come back. You do visit your hometown. Or do you just base in Edo State? Man, the phone man ring. Okay, so
It's very hot and good.
so you were telling us about what's the name of that masquerade again?
Aluji Onuose.
Alujionose.
Yes.
So everybody do watch that one.
Yes, it's a friendly masquerade, but no masquerade is friendly.
But you cannot touch it now. You cannot touch it, Abi.
Yeah.
It doesn't have rules.
Yes. We have Mebere
Okay, mekbere.
and Orimanga, husband and
Wife. Oh yeah, in that onose again.
No, another masquerade.
Okay, another
that is black
masquerade.
in color. They are very, very ugly. When they
Hi.
do Tufia Kwawolozu,
And they do tufiakwa.
I always visit. Oh my God!
Oh, you always
Visit our
visit.
on Sunday. It's going to be very, very hot.
It will be very hot though. I will surely go. See, I'm making my hair to go. I will go.
I'm making my own hair on Saturday.
That's tomorrow.
You have to look on your best clothes and
now.
your best outfit
Yeah.
because
My sister is married to Apugo in Kano too. Yeah, my sister is married to Apugo. So you guys are my in-laws. And we are marrying your sister from Nike now in her own community now. So I gbazuru keme, I zuru ezu.
I borrow.
Unu na-anụ anyị na-anụ unu. Anyị na-agọ ọgọ n'ebe niile.
So this Marbury and Orimanga, if the masquerade is passing and the masquerade, okay, that is nice.
Oh, thank you.
And the masquerade is passing. When the masquerade does,
Is your wire?
God forbid, if you're pregnant,
Yes.
you give birth to those two twins. That is very, very ugly.
Jesus,
That is
those
black.
ugly masquerades.
Yes.
To fiakwa. God forbid.
Hey, if you do like this, God forbid.
When
If
you
the
see them.
If the masquerade do God forbid
To
for
fiakwa.
you give birth to them because the wife is pregnant.
Hey.
The masquerade
But why
wife,
would that masquerade do to fiakwa to the pregnant woman?
because she's pregnant. So it's just like you're copying her.
It will not say to fiakwa.
Yes. So
To you.
pregnant women don't used to go and watch.
Okay, that masquerade is always pregnant.
Yes, always.
Ha, wahala dey, no be small thing. And it do come out when, like, does it have
Once
season?
a year. It's coming out in this New Year festival.
Hey, that's this Sunday.
Yes.
It will come out.
Pregnant women will not come.
We'll not come and watch it.
Yes.
For them not to deliver something that look like them.
Those
So that
masquerade
means you have a lot of masquerades this coming Sunday now.
There are almost 50 of them.
Hey.
Plus the new ones they bought.
Hey, this is serious, so.
Ona si shiru like so. Ona na go to neba na. Ona na gekwe.
Nti adekwa. That's my niece. She's happy. Look at her. Amanda.
So that is it. Oh yeah,
Wow. Where's also never? So wow, let's continue. How can I join?
so many things to see, many things to say.
Wow.
When you come, Nike people doesn't used to reject visitors. They don't reject visitors. They will welcome you like their own.
Oh, wow.
You will eat pounded yam and ofe uchakre.
I like that ochakre soup. I so much like it. I swear to God.
It's our soup.
The first day I tasted
it's
it.
meant for us.
Oh, when
only.
you
Yes.
I'm telling you, the first day I tasted that soup, it was really nice. Before I was like, which one is ochakere? Ochakere. Which one is ochakere? I said, okay, Ngwan, give me. That's when we went for my wife's trad, when we went to marry your sister.
Yes.
They brought the soup, the ochakere soup, because it seems anything you guys are doing, any event, you guys must cook that
it.
ochakere,
Yes,
ochakere
because
soup.
it's our soup. It's meant for us only.
Wow.
It's our village soup. We used to cook it very well.
Wow.
Yes. And ofewa.
Ofewa. No, I've not tasted ofewa.
Ewa
I don't
is
even-
very, very sweet though and bitter.
What do you
I
sweet
will
and
not
bitter?
lie because
What do you cook
I
it
don't
with?
like it. Yes.
What do you cook? Is it ewa? What? What do you cook ewa with? Is it
There is
ugu?
this leaf called
This is penny me
ewa.
easy.
There's this leaf called ewa.
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 Okay,
yes.
ewa leaf.
Yes.
Okay.
So that leaf.
Nege.
The leaf. You cook the ewa with egusi. Kipoto kashaya.
Ipoto kashaya ototo. Wow, it will be sweet.
Ikwacha aka ishie ya ibe ya ọmamma ọmachamba owere aka saka sachaka were aka rie ya orichie ya.
Ozugo is okay.
She's intelligent.
She's intelligent. Oh, thank you. Amanda has
Thank
made
you.
intelligent. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Amanda is giving attachments. Amanda, we're going to attachments.
Yes.
Thank you.
So
Hello.
the uchakri is a nice soup. Very, very nice.
Wow.
If
Yeah,
you
I must
taste it,
confess, it's a very nice soup with a lot of chicken.
chicken, roasted one. Roasted chicken. We don't used to cook that uchakri with beef.
Why?
We don't cook it with beef.
Why?
Because our belief is that chicken is the best.
Eh,
Chicken will make it Nyomi.
Chicken is called what?
Nyomilicious.
Anu okuko.
Anu ọkụkọ ahụrụ ahụ.
Roasted
Azụ
chicken.
ya.
ọkọta asịsịcha azụ ya ata ya tacha ya
Yes.
hichaa ọnụ
Hichaa ọnụ
gote
ma
mma ya wụọ ya wit ya ọ bụrụ na ịta ya wit sọsọ chicken ahụ na mba n'afọ
ọma mba n'afọ. Ọma mba.
Anakukwa keba.
So
Wow.
that is it. But that ofawa is very sweet for those people that love it because it's by choice.
Yes.
I don't like our soup because
And this you people's soup.
it's our soup. But I
Wow.
don't like it. Anytime my mom wants to cook it, I'll start crying
Are you serious?
because I don't like it. It's bitter
Hmm.
and sweet. For
At
my
our
mommy.
place, there is this soup they call ukpoko. Ofu ukpoko. Do you know it?
No.
Me, I don't like it. That's the only soup I can tell you, like, I don't like it. But many people like it. So just like Imasi said, it's by choice.
It's by choice.
Yeah, it's by
Another
choice. One man's food.
is another man's food.
Yes, one man's food is another man's poison. So your food could be my poison. My food could be your poison. But last, we'll still chop them.
It goes still
You go still enter belly.
So that is what I'm saying.
Okay.
That our village people are very
Okay. That your village people.
very nice people
Okay.
to be with.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I really love you people's culture. Amanda, kina dom nishi.
But
What are you drawing
there's
now?
this
It's paining me.
culture
I'm
that's
afraid.
very specific.
Hey Jesus, oh my back. It's paining me.
If you're not a male child, you cannot get any property or inherit any property from your father. Guys, is it proper?
At your place, ba?
Yes.
Not just at your place, Seb. I think it's mainly in Igbo.
Igbo land.
Igbo land, yes. It's mainly in Igbo land.
But some Igbos used to write will. They do write will for their family. So, both even if you're a girl, a boy, you can inherit.
Yeah.
But our own place,
Yeah.
Haleketala,
Okay. You female.
male, they will inherit their father's land and sell it.
yes
And when they sell it, those wise people will invest it in something very good. But those people that are foolish will go and
ọkwa eziokwu
Tell
club
Amanda.
with the money and
And
it
squander it.
and wait for the next year, upcoming year.
Yeah,
for
to
them-
sell another land.
Yes, for them to sell another land. That is why they say in the Nike na-ele ana. Elegbula na-ele denu.
anta eziokwu
Elegbula na elede enu.
Ana hebo na-ele denu.
Which one is? How do they sell enukwan? How do,
That's what they say.
elede enu.
You know that normally land doesn't used to finish.
Okay.
Land can never finish because the more you're selling, is the more you are developing those that is inside.
Inside, I grab.
So,
Wow,
but
that's good.
we speak it in parables because normally our land cannot finish. But they are saying in case if our land finish,
Elede enu.
we start selling heaven.
I understand.
And people now start. And people now
Manda,
start.
chere. Sorry.
But they say,
Ndo.
listen to the brother. Listen here.
Ọkwa ndị nnukwu ahụ.
Oh, bịa.
Afọ ka ọ wejere ya m. Ọ dị ka ọ chọrọ iwepụ. Jee wejere ya onye ziri gị.
So
Mm.
that is it.
Wow.
Many things. Some of our village people are not wise enough to spend money.
Mm. They're not wise enough to spend money.
Yes, they
Oh,
don't know
no.
how to spend money.
Okay, sorry, my dear. Ndo. Hi, God,
They
though.
don't know. Those who use can go and chase women,
Eh?
go to club, do everything.
night
And
club
What's the name
sef.
of that your brother that was
na
watching?
night club
Is he still watching?
Mark Gold.
My God, is it true that you used to use your money and chase women? Okay. That's all I know. Okay.
So that is what is happening because people, not only in my hometown, people from other hometowns, some of them doesn't know how to spend money.
They don't know how to spend money.
Yes, and there's one spirit in money. Oh.
Yes.
Money is a spirit.
Yes.
Yes.
Money is a spirit.
Yes, because if you spend it wisely, it comes wisely.
Wisely, exactly.
There is this man in my village. His name is Awe Gonkete
Lance.
Onalance.
Hey, I've heard that name.
That is his name, his title name. This man, he had too much money for him to have the guts to go and burn his money.
Hey,
Oh,
burn
what's
his
that
money,
now?
kwa.
His compound lights the money and the money was now burning.
Hey, not be smart thing, no.
The money was now burning. He was like, Awe Gonkete
Onalance.
that money is too much.
Wow.
Burn to penny. After burning that money, he was
Hey.
as poor as
Okay, because he has so much money, that's why he burnt
it
some.
because, yes,
He burnt
because-
everything or some.
No, some.
Hey.
He thought after
will sell
burning
land.
the money, still his money will still be growing.
Mm.
But he doesn't know he have killed that spirit. That the money is not feeling welcome in the
Yes.
house.
Child.
So he had to. The money had to give space. You
Mm.
understand?
And then Obido Kwenisi.
Obido Wanisi. He
Child.
died with poverty, and then
He died.
Yes, and then the children is now suffering. for what
Child.
They don't know.
About.
What they
Oh
don't
my
know
God.
about. Why would a reasonable father burn
His money. You don't know what to do with the money. It's just to go and burn your money because you have so much of it. Is that not crazy?
It's crazy. Oh. That is why I
Wow.
say that they don't spend wisely. Not all rich people.
Know how to spend their money.
Yes.
All right, guys. Hi, God. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I hope you learned one or two from Mercy's culture. The New Year Festival is next tomorrow, and she's really preparing. As you can see, I'm making my hair to go for that New Year Festival because it used to be very hot. It used to be special. Like, it's a special occasion. Many people used to come. It's more like their Christmas.
Yes,
It's more like their Christmas, and they invite a lot of people. They invite different people. Yes, they invite different people to that their New Yam Festival
Yes,
because
so-
they prepare a lot of things. It's not like not
many
only
food to chop, Makanda go. We have many food. We have
that's what I'm trying to say. It's not like it's just the yam and ochakri soup that people will prepare. I mean, you prepare rice now.
yes now. Prepare
You
rice.
prepare rice. You prepare.
pepper soup. Prepare yam sauce.
Wow,
Even yam pepper soup and chicken
wow.
with veggies.
You
Many things.
you drink any kind of drink you want to drink.
If you want Heineken, Odia. You want Malt, Odia. You want Pepsi, Odia. You want Hero, Odia.
Wow.
Anything, any type you want. We
Guys,
have
if
it.
I happens to go, if I finally go, I'm going to video the occasion. Yes, I will video some part of it and share to you guys, or maybe I will go live. That's if I happens to go. I'm making my hair, but you know now next tomorrow is not here, so although it's here, but what I'm trying to say is that nobody knows what will happen next tomorrow, so I may decide not to. But if I happens to go, I will surely video so that you people will see how
our
they
masquerade.
celebrate it.
Mawai, Mawu Shine, Mawuku.
Mawuku. That's your great masquerade. Is it the great one?
And we used to say whenever we're watching masquerade, we'll be shouting, Ma Ben, Omena Kayeni no cho. Yes.
Omenani ka ihe niile ụchọ.
It means tradition
dialect
is
differs.
sweeter than any other.
Yes, omenani ka ihe niile ụchọ. But Central Igbo, you say oso or oto. But their own is ocho. You have to do your mouth this way. Ocho. Cho. Ocho. Tradition is sweeter than every other thing. Wow, that's
Now
beautiful.
be singing for the masquerade.
Mm.
And Onade, Onade,
Hi.
Onade.
But it's only guys that will be singing it, right?
Everybody.
Eh?
After, if the masquerade come and dance, when the masquerade now want to go, now start saying Onade, Onade, Onade. Everybody now start shouting. Yes.
Hi, you people's tradition is something else.
Everybody now start jumping for the masquerade. Na piare igunana. Na piare igunana.
That is going.
Yes.
Because for it, next time it will come out is next year.
Yes.
Wow, that's interesting. Thank you for this lecture. Yes, it's a lecture because me personally, I learned one or two. I learned a lot of things from this their New Yam festival. You know, not a small thing. And that their New Yam festival, it used to be sweet. Oh, I've been there twice. Like I said before, I've been there. But once you have someone there and the person invites you, try to go, because you never regret it. You never regret going for that their New Yam
You
festival.
want it to be every day.
Yes, because you will eat a lot, you will drink a lot, you will see masquerades, different kinds of masquerade. Like this one,
Run and come back.
I'm telling you, like this one, she told us that the one is black in color but has the is it what's it called, pepper mouth or something.
Aluji, Onos.
Alujionose. Wow.
You even have Ikem.
Ikem. How does Ikem?
And Orima.
Yeah, nke a bụ di na nwunye.
Yes.
Ma ka ị kpọrọ ọzọ kịta mmasị.
Ikem.
Ikem is like how does it look like?
Strength.
I know it's strength. Meaning of Ikem is strength, but
He's very huge.
huge, like
And
house.
ugly. And he has angry face.
Hey, does it have rules and regulations?
That one is.
Oneneki. Okay, that one is what?
That one is not. That one doesn't have rules, but it's wicked.
Hey, wicked like how now? What will it do?
He'll just come and start beating people.
Hey.
He like ordering. He will come. If those people that are hitting music for him, if they not hit it well, he will flog them.
Flog them. Hey.
Like old people.
Child. It's hard now. Wow.
That's why we say it's wicked.
Is it old people that will beating the song for them?
Yes,
for
now.
it.
It's ancient people that knows how to do it.
Okay. All right, guys. Okay, you still have something to tell us, though. If I'm sure you still have, but let me not bother you so much. We'll surely come back later before we finish our hair, or before Mercy go. We'll surely do 1 or 2 more videos. All right, guys. Take care of yourself, and thank you so much for joining. Thank you for joining. I'm already ending my life, and so many people are joining now, but I'm so grateful regardless. So. Yeah, this is Nike culture. This is Nike culture. She briefed us on how they do their New Yam festival, you know, and it's really interesting. When you come, trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. You will enjoy their New Yam festival. Their New Yam festival is next tomorrow, 31st of August. So if I happens to go, I will video some part of the activities and show you guys, so that you see that things are happening in Enugu State. Things are happening in Nike. Things are happening in Amoji Nike. You know, right? So, Ibagwa Nike, when did they do their own? When did they normally?
That same day.
Okay, that same day. What of Umuchibo?
Next month.
Okay, next month. Okay. All right, guys. Must say bye to them. Must say bye to them. Mercy is eating. Bye.
Speech 1 watching now. Top 1 button.